foot pitch fluctuated. Okay, go ahead and hold in firmly here. We're going to index you go here, but nothing here. Index the car. Okay. Spot drill it, and then drill it, and then ream it. So come on back, Windex it. Come on in and touch it. Go ahead, give it a little force there. A little more. That's it. Go ahead, take it back and index your drill. Give it a little push. That's it. Okay. Give a little bit more push on it there. What happens with this brass, sometimes you just generate heat if you go slow on it. Alright, pull it out, clean it, back in. Clean it out. Back in. Alright. Ream's a real quick one here. Give a little shot with that. Back it out. And hold on. You alright, bud? Yeah. Thank you. This is the last one? I thought so, unless you have more. Make one for this kid here. I got three over here, two others over here. This guy's trying to get what's that? What's that? Yeah, I got about three more. Okay, go ahead and roll until we get about 8 seconds there on that. Yeah, I'll make a couple more. At some point we got to stop. Yeah, I know, that's the thing.
Well, I didn't want to make one. I was hoping to get these two girls. That's all.
Yeah, hold on.
One daughter's.
Alright, we're going to just shine this up a little bit here. If we stayed here to 12 o'clock at night, people would keep coming and saying just one more.
Yeah, you got that.
That's what's been going on for days here.
What's a polishing pad? What is that? Just a rubber abrasive or something?
It's an abrasive. It's a 3M abrasive.
Foam back abrasive. It gives us a nice polish. So every time we make a whistle body, we also have to make a little plug for the next one.
Alright. We take that over to the station in the center. They'll give you a hand on that. Alright.
This is a cutter for making keys. We adapted it. You want to grab it? In you go. Stop. I don't want to go too far. We're doing fine. There's a little variation and we're being. So we just kissed the base of that plug. I think we're all right. So we do that. Get the burrs out. Like that. There's some inside here. Get those. Sounds like we got a winner. Now, we can't let you have it unless it says rough and tumble on it. So, here's the marker. Okay, here's the marker here that says it's going to mark it. And the distance from here to here is less than the diameter. So we put it in here, and I'm going to hold tight, and you're going to pull that way. And it's going to roll right underneath the marker. Keep going. And you got it, rough and tumble. Now, we're going to drill a hole.